What's up, YouTube? Today we'll be getting ancient debris in Minecraft because we'll be completing this part in my Rubik's cube. Don't mind the others because I duped them. So that I won't get criticized in my school for my laziness. Goodness, my lag is insane. How do people actually handle heat like this? I just removed this gold I found in the nether. Maybe this one. And the duped items I duped. Since my stairs are long. Schlang. Now I didn't realize this journey was gonna take me hours and hours into the nether. And there's no way of turning back. Okay. You just broke my last hope of survival. Come on, man. Oh. Let's leave these two obsidians if I calculate right. If I don't, I'm done. Broke my life. I need a boost in my FPS, bro. Goodness gracious. I really need a new phone, bro. I'm just joking. It's still lagging. This is the reason why I don't want to play Minecraft. It's more better now. My phone is overheating so bad that I genuinely have to put it in aircon. I'm back. I need XP right now. This genuinely took me 3 hours to mine and find another 2 stacks of ancient debris. And reaching an exit of this place is hell. My only technique is to try and keep digging. Hello. What's up, my fellow nichelings? There's our baby boy. So what the fuck happened to my days? Okay, they spawned out of nowhere. Whoa! Oh, lapis. Lapis. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I put my phone in the air conditioner because my phone I need to get deep slate so I can build up. Stop following me, pet. You might be Preston in the future, pet. Oh, by the way, I got 4 stacks of ancient debris and also I also found around 3 ancient debris. What's better than 3 ancient debris? 4 stacks of ancient debris. Oh, what the f made my life difficult? Hey, yo, chill. Okay, gods hated it. The gods hated it. Why? But there's only water. Look, I found the rarest diorite. Hey, this is useless in Minecraft. In real life, this is the most best thing you can ever find. Prove me wrong if I'm dumb. Ah, finally, I can breathe some air. Real air. Not the time, we need to go back. I need to sleep. It's 8 I was playing while eating. My father ripped my skin apart. My palace. My true palace. The palace would be okay. Was my I didn't know that palace my palace okay. To infinity and beyond. Ooh, almost killed myself there. And my phone is overheating and keeps freezing for no reason. Great. I will need to craft. I forgot. I don't have gold, but there's gold here. Okay, I'm so lucky. I mined a bunch of books. I was trading with villagers to get to 1,000 emeralds and I trade with them. I'm such a yapper boy. I forgot I need metal scraps. I forgot how to craft them. I'm trying to take my knowledge. What is that, netherite? Rap. That's rap, right? What? Thinking. Think, Mark. What will you have after 500 years? Go to Google. A mistake? Just tell me. Smelt. This is gonna take long. While it cooks, I'll be watching TikTok.
Attempts to force a connection between children. However, even their children were well versed in the arts. With no other cards up his sleeve, Big Yahoo attempts to draw out pity from the family.
Dude,
However,
bullshit.
unluckily for Big Yahoo, Sam had long lost his emotions and callously drove off.
Oh,
As
shit.
Beanos holds a concert with his most loyal fans, with the most ransom was known to man, finishes it off by revealing where he would strike next. The Yahoo family. Hearing a personal concert from BB knows, the Yahoo family.
Oh my goodness. I got exploded. Now you're talking about Big Yahoo getting ripped in the back. Then it's alright, I'll just repair it later. Now, actually, I can repair it now. I can repair with diamond blocks. And diamond blocks. I have enough. I have enough. I have diamond blocks. This is what's so annoying about creepers is this is what's is so annoying about creepers is that they blow shit up. And they just take your shit away. I don't wanna go to my roof. I don't even go to my roof for no. It's even a nice view out there. Except for my Rubik's Cube. I'm acting zesty.
For a clown? It's a ceremony!
It's psychotic. They keep creating new ways to
Shut up. Okay. We are finally done. Been waiting all day, bro. 64? For what? 4 stacks of ancient debris. Goodness gracious. I make 7 a day. Just imagine, I get hours upon grinding just for 7 netherite blocks. Is it that hard? Holy goodness, do I have to be extra hardworking. Just look how many 7 filled up. That much. I'm not even 10. I'm not even halfway. I'm 1/5 the way. Not even 1/5. It's 15 out of 50. No, 50 over 15. No, 15 over 50. Okay, then why am I yapping? It's making the video worse. It was harder than I expected. If there's only a way to make it faster, then this run would be much easier and faster.